Yo, what is up everyone? I haven't done this in a very long time, but I decided I want to get back into vlogging. I do shoot more than just cars. Shooting night photography or just street photography in general has been something that I've always loved to do and watch on YouTube. So I thought I'd give it a go and just try it out. So Kristen had an idea for us to get a cool long exposure shot. I left my tripod in the car, so we're gonna go get it right now. So we're backtracking. I did forget to mention, I only brought one SD card for the shoot, so this SD card is being shared on this camera and that camera as well. So gonna have to keep switching on and off. It's gonna be annoying, but it is what it is. Found this cool spot at this car wash area. A long time ago, Kristen and I shot my car when I first got it, and now we're back here, so hopefully we can get some cool shots. All right, so it's another day, guys. We're out here shooting. We have a specific shot in mind that we're trying to get, so we're gonna launch the drone out because that's what we're gonna need today, and then after that we're just gonna roam around and get other shots. So let's get started. All right, guys, so this specific shot right here is what we're trying to recreate. Kristen isn't really pleased with the shots that we got, so we're gonna try just to focus on getting the oncoming traffic more, because she does like the way that looks a little bit more. So we're gonna try that and see how it comes out. There's this spot that looks pretty cool, so we're gonna go there right now and take some photos and see what we can get, because that leads up to downtown, and hopefully that comes out like a sick shot. So if we change the angle so that we can get some reflections off the water on the ground, and then get the Frost Bank building that's downtown here, it's gonna look crazy. So alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Got some pretty cool shots, one or two bangers out there, but comment, like, and subscribe. Peace.